Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the "This site can't provide a secure connection" error in Microsoft Edge. First, check your date and time settings. The wrong date or time is one of the main reasons for SSL errors. On your Windows computer, right-click on the time in the bottom right corner and click Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically, and also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. If they are already on, turn them off and on again. Then restart your computer and check the website again. If the problem is still there, clear your cache and cookies. Open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then click on Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down and find Clear Browsing Data. Click on Choose what to clear. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Now. Close the browser and open it again. If the error continues, disable your extensions. Click on the three dots and go to Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions. You will see a list of all installed extensions. Turn them off one by one, especially VPN or ad blocker extensions. After disabling them, refresh the website and check if it works. These steps usually fix the secure connection error in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.